I'm Graham Warmsley, I'm Product and Technical Trainer for Farrow Ball. We've been looking at the kind of typical ingredients you'd expect to find in a tin of Farrow Ball paint and how they compare to standard paints. I'd like to think that you'd be better in place to inform the customer of just how our paints are and overcome some popular misconceptions that we might have had from people's experiences in the past. It is a very impressive breakthrough in chemistry really for us at Farrow Ball. We've got a multi-surface paint which is a very, very low sheen level, but you can use it on walls, on woodwork, on ceilings, on metalwork as well. So it's a really interesting option for customers to be able to use. If you're considering using Farrow Ball paint, then I would highly recommend you get in touch with the team at Wood Finishes Direct, because they're now completely knowledgeable on our products and can really help you.